Need to fix Oculus mobile app not working? Then here's a step-by-step process on how you can fix this issue. Well, you need to start by checking whether you are connected to stable internet connection or not. If not, try to connect to cellular data and then use it. Once you have the stable internet connection, the next thing you want to do is move into the App Store if you're using iOS. In the search bar, search for Oculus. Scroll down and then move into this app. Right here instead of open, if you see the option of update, then your application is not up to date, and this might be the reason that you might be facing the issue. In this case, click on update and update the app. Once you have got the updated version, now the next thing you want to do is move into the settings of your device and then head over to general. Now move into iPhone storage. In this page, search for the application Oculus Mobile and then move into it. Click on offload app. Once again, tap on offload app. Offloading app means clearing all of the cache and the storage of the application. It will remove all of the unwanted bugs and make your application run smoothly. This might also fix the issue that you have been facing, and then you'll be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you out, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.